Hello guys, and welcome to another quick video. And in this quick video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply transfer your money from your Coinbase mobile app to your Binance mobile, and I'll be showing you this step by step. First step is opening up Coinbase, and as we open up Coinbase, we're going to have a look at our cryptocurrency assets, the assets we currently possess. And as you can see my balance here, it's quite small. So what we're going to do is simply click on send, seeing as that's our money. Your asset is your money, your crypto is your money. So we'll be sending our Litecoin or Bitcoin. Simply click on Litecoin, and you'll be met with an option to input your phone number, email address, and you can as well use the recently used wallet addresses you possess. So our next step is to take note of what we're sending. We're sending Litecoin. So you minimize, head over to Binance, give it some time to load in. It loads all the assets, all the information. Once that has been done completely, you simply click on the deposit option here. Click on this and click on LTC, or you can rather search for LTC. Click on Litecoin. Click on Litecoin. Copy this wallet address. Minimize. Head back to Coinbase, paste the wallet address we just copied, click on continue. It takes you to the menu where you can send your Litecoin from either the max rates, that's what you have, or whatever you have. And the estimated time for sending is 30 minutes. This is due to the fact that this account is verified and has gone through due process to prove that. So you simply click on send now, and your money would be leaving your Coinbase account and heading straight to your Binance mobile app in about 30 minutes. So guys, comment down below if you have any questions concerning how you can send money from your Coinbase mobile app to your Binance mobile, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.